everyone. I hope you are having an amazing weekend. I just got so distracted messing with some camera settings, so hopefully it all works out, trying some new things. So I know it's Monday, but it's not going to be a mega unboxing or a mega Monday. Well, it could still be a mega Monday. I hope your day is mega. I know I'm such a dork, but really I hope you are having a great one. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel, and this is called Awakening in a Box. And I have it right here. So they offer 5 different subscription plans ranging from $14 to $55. We are opening the $14 box, and it sounds really good. It's right up my alley, and I can't wait to see what's inside. So they do have a promo code going on, or a little sale going on for Memorial Day weekend. Get 25% off. If you're watching this after Memorial Day, don't worry, there is still a code on Cratejoy to get a special discount when you check out. I think I used it and I saved a few dollars. So I did pay for this box myself, and this is the Awakening box. So in this box you get 3 stones, there's 3 healing crystals, and then 2 items to help with the practice. There's always a theme of the month, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Kind of peek because I took a picture, but I didn't see the actual contents, but it looks like it's gonna be great. I have a good feeling. I have a positive vibe from this box already. So the other boxes they have the crystal pouch. So if you only want to get crystals, you can go for this box, and it's $15. They have an empowering oracle box, which is $35. So you will get 1 oracle deck, 1 crystal, and 2 products to help you with your practice. And then they have a mystical tarot box. So similar to the oracle box, but you get tarot cards. This is also $35. And then you have the option to get the tarot and oracle box. So you get a mashup of their mystic tarot and empowering oracle boxes. One contains a tarot deck, or it contains 1 tarot deck and 1 oracle deck, and 1 crystal and 2 products to use in your craft. So looking at this now, like, I've gotten really into tarot cards. Like, I seriously love it. It's like my meditation, my self-reflection, I like to call it. So I might have to get that one sometime, but with budgets and all that stuff possible, or not possible, moving in the near future, I went with the $14 box, and I think that's a great price. Let's see, is it worth it? You guys have to let me know after I open it if you think so. So here is what it looks like when I open up the box. And look at this beautiful artwork. And then on the back, there is a note. You're not going to be able to read this when I show you up close. So the note from the curator. Welcome to the Throat Chakra Awakening box. This box contains 3 crystals and minerals to help you connect to and align your throat chakra. And the retail value for the stones is $7.50. And I wonder if that means each. And then it talks about the other items in their pricing. And the artist is Lucy Daisy Art. So you can find her if you want. I think she is very talented. I love this, and I love that it's all about the throat chakra, and I feel like I could totally use this right now because I've been having issues with, like, I would say communication, like, you know, with the channel stuff. Oh, by the way, the survey's still open if you guys want to provide some feedback, some constructive feedback to better our channel and myself. I've been working on myself, but I realized I've not been great at communicating with you guys, so I'm working on that. And that has to do with the throat chakra. Also, I've kind of had a sore throat lately. Maybe that's like has to do with it. I don't know. We're gonna learn more about it with this box hopefully, because it's all new to me too, learning about this. So there's a little card here, Sacred Spaces. Okay, this must be one of the creators of the items. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, let's start with that then. So I see something right here that says Sacred Spaces, so this looks really pretty. Communication, Sacred Spaces, Ritual Oil. I was just talking about that. So I plan on taking pictures of the items because I lowered the lighting though. You should still be able to see it when I show it up close hopefully, but from feedback, I know I'm going to try and work on lighting and showing you guys things a little bit better and my white balance and all of that. But anyways, this looks so pretty. So there's some flowers in there. Let's see. Sacred Spaces Ritual Oil. It smells really good. What is that? So this Communication Ritual Oil has a $10 retail value. and it's supposed to help promote communication, self-expression, and the ability to speak your personal truth. And all the items in this box is supposed to help with that. And perfect, perfect timing. I feel like things just like fall into your lap when you need them. And I am very grateful for that. So let's move on to the next item. How about we stick with the non-crystal items? So it looks like the crystals are all in this blue bag there. But we have some incense cones. I just finished a pack of Frankincense Incense cones, and I think I need to get a new container for them, or not container, like a thing to burn it on. I think you need like a charcoal disc or something like that. If you guys know, please leave a comment so I can get one or figure out how to burn it properly, because when I did, it seems like it burnt my like wooden holder a little bit. Holder. I can't come up with words right now. I'm sorry. Like where I use my incense. So, oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, this is frankincense. I just ran out. Perfect. Soapy Lane Throat Chakra Frankincense. I didn't realize frankincense was for that. Oh, great. It says healing powers of protection and magic. So, I am really pumped. There's 4 in here, and this has a retail value of $6. Now, let's see what stones we have. So the stones are in this really cute pouch. And look, it has moons on it. Which I have on my shirt, kind of a self-plug, self-promo today. I am wearing my merch, the first item I received, and this is going to be my Kit Kat break of the day. So I just announced this in the last video. I am now going to do like little interruptions throughout the videos, or in each video, and either like review a product, tell you an update about something. In today's video, show you my merch, and I might like just do something like tell you my current skincare routine, whatever I want, just to like, or you guys want, you guys can always leave suggestions, if that makes sense. It's gonna be like a little daily interruption of some sort, so I can get some information to you. I know a lot of people wanted more reviews of products, and I think this is a great way to get that out to you without doing a whole dedicated video, because sometimes it's hard to fit those into the schedule with all these wonderful boxes to open. But anyways, I ordered 2 things from my merch store, and this is the first I've received so far, and I love it. So it's very me right now. It is oops, I almost fell. This is the woman's fitted tank. And I received it. So I think I'm gonna add in some footage of me showing you guys this a little bit better. But I got this one. I created it pretty much because I wanted it. I was like just making all these designs, and by the way, it'll be linked down below, the merch store, and any profits that we get from that is going straight back to our channel, just FYI, and thank you in advance. There's currently a promotion that they have going that's valid this weekend, only ends tomorrow. Tomorrow, the day after I'm filming this, June 1st, so if you want to save 10%, it is a Teespring, or they're now just called Spring. So there's a sale site-wide there, so you can use that if you're interested in any of my merch. There's several designs, but this one I created because I really wanted it. So there's a moon stars, and I'm totally into that right now. I think this fits really well with today's box. And then really small, it's just kitty's boxes, but the fabric on this is so nice. So this is called the women's fitted tank top, and I got it in a size medium, and I think the quality is so nice. It's so comfy, fits true to size. I love it so much. There's already some cat hair on it, but that's inevitable. Like, I know some people like might avoid black if that's the case. And by the way, all of the designs and everything I have on there are available in different colors, so you can totally get whatever you want if you want it. No pressure, just wanted to share it with you. And I guess I should share that I'm wearing my favorite shorts ever that are from Amazon. They have several different styles. I have almost all of them, but these are my favorite. And I'll link those down below too, because I like sharing my favorites with you. I believe these are linked to my Amazon favorites on my Amazon store page, but just another reminder of how much I love them, and I'm still loving them. Now let's see what we got. Hi, Emmy. Oops. People want to see you in the video more. Awesome. So they do have some information on each of the stones, and there's affirmations for each too. And you can see they provide a lot there. I'm gonna save this bag. It's a pretty, maybe I'll store them in there. So the first stone I have here is blue aventurine. Oh my god, this is beautiful. love that it has that like little, is it gold streak? Well, I don't know, but it has like texture to it. So the affirmation for blue aventurine is, I trust myself and my intuition. And blue aventurine helps to maintain inner peace despite chaos happening in your environment. Nice. I'm so excited. I love getting new crystals. And the next is iolite. Is that how you say that? I don't know anything about this one. It's so exciting to me. It's super cool. I don't have any that are like this or shaped like this. Oh God, I love it. So the affirmation for iolite, if I'm saying that correctly, I hope I am, I get clear guidance from my higher self. And or is it low light? No, it's got to be iolite. Iolite can help those who are having trouble finding the spiritual self. It can help you to recognize the voice within and to discern the difference between the desired voice and the ego. It can also help with the ability to communicate this message to others with clarity. Oh, and it's linked with a Taurus sign. So also on these cards it tells you what it aligns with. So it aligns with the throat, crown, and third eye chakras and zodiac signs Libra, Sagittarius, and Taurus. I'm a Taurus. What is your sign? And you relate to your sign? Because I never thought I did, but then I read my birth chart and it is like spot on. It's crazy. Like I need to read that again. It's like things I've never even like told anyone or talked about. Like I never really thought about since it's happened, and they like called it like. But next we have blue calcite. It looks like a little piece of mine broke off in there, but it's like one little stone now. I don't have any of this, but I read about this stone before. So it says, I speak my truth freely and openly. Blue calcite soothes frayed nerves and lessens the intensity of your anxiety. As a gentle stone, it is great to use when recuperating. It facilitates healing by clearing negative emotions and promoting rest and relaxation. I needed this. It can also work as a natural sedative after emotional trauma. So it allows clear communication, especially among differing or opposing points of view. And this aligns with the throat and third eye chakra, and its zodiac signs are Cancer and Pisces. And since I didn't say the other, or what it aligns with, and blue aventurine aligns with the throat chakra and zodiac sign Aries. I think this box was totally worth $14. What do you guys think? Let me know. So I got 3 stones. I got the communication oil, which I think is great and it smells good too. And more frankincense incense cones, and I just ran out. That's so perfect. It smells really good. I like that scent. And frankincense is safe to diffuse around cats if you have the oil. It's like one of the few that they say is safe. So just thought I'd tell you if you're another cat lady, cat man out there. But I am so happy, and I feel like this came at such a timely manner. Like I said, I think things happen for a reason. I can't wait to spend more time with my crystals and, yeah, get their energy vibes going my way. They're so pretty together. I love it. Yay! Just what I needed. I am so happy. So again, this will be linked down below. My merch store will be linked down below. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for being here and watching today. Have a great night, great day, whatever time it is